Okay, so tuloy natin yung college entrance exam practice problem natin. So ito from basic calculus naman siya. Okay, so find the equation of the line that is tangent to the curve y is equal to x squared plus 5 at point 1, 6. Okay, so ito yung ating choices, right? Nasa right side. So kailangan daw natin ng equation ng ating tangent line. The equation of the line that is tangent. Okay, so paano ba natin kukuha yung equation ng tangent line natin? So may given na tayo dito na point. Okay, so kailangan natin ng slope. Okay, kasi diba if we recall, i-recall natin. Okay, yung ating equation ng line, we have y minus y sub 1 is equal to m yung slope times x minus x sub 1. Okay, ito yung equation ng line natin, given tayo ng point and slope. Okay, pero since wala pa tayong slope, okay, so paano natin makukuha yung slope? Okay, if we recall, no, yung slope natin ay equal siya sa first derivative. Okay, so pag kinuha din yung first derivative nito, we have y prime is equal to, anong derivative ng x squared? So simply, we will use the power rule, no? Baba mo exponent na 2. Okay, so we have 2x raised to 2 minus 1. Okay, so we have simply 1 na lang or simply 2x. Okay, hindi natin susulat yung exponent na 1. Then, derivative ng 5. Okay, the derivative of any constant is simply 0. Okay, so ito na yung ating first derivative, 2x. Now, ipa-plug in natin dyan yung point natin, which is yung 1. Okay, kasi ayun yung x-coordinate ng point natin. Okay, so simply we have y prime is equal to 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. Okay, which is ito na rin yung slope natin. Okay, now meron na tayong point na 1, 6. Meron na tayong slope. Ang gagawin mo na lang ay isa-substitute mo siya dito sa formula. Okay, so we have y minus y sub 1 natin, which is yung 6. Okay, yung y component ng ating point na 6 is equal to 2 na slope times x minus x sub 1, which is yung 1. Okay, now at this point, i-simplify na lang natin siya. So we have y minus 6 is equal to, so distribute mo na lang yung 2. Okay, so we have 2x minus 2. Okay, so we have y minus 6 is equal to wait, lipat natin sa kabila itong negative 6. Okay, so we have y is equal to 2x minus 2 plus 6 na. Okay, from negative 6 magiging positive 6 na siya kasi nilipat natin sa kabila, ano? So we have y is equal to 2x plus 4. Okay, kasi negative 2 plus 6, that's positive 4. Ito na yung ating equation no tangent line natin dun sa curve. Okay, so yung drawing mo siya, di ba yung curve natin parabola yun, y is equal to x squared plus 5. So rough sketch, ganyan siya. Then ang pinaka-idea niyan is ito yung kunwari yung ating tangent line. Okay, so ito yung equation niya, yung 2x plus 4. Okay, tangent siya at this point. Okay, ganyan siya, no, for illustration purposes lang. Okay, so y is equal to 2x plus 4, which corresponds to letter A, no? Yan. Y is equal to 2x plus 4. So, ayan na yung ating equation ng tangent line, no? So, ganun lang siya. Madali lang, no? Basta ang concept ay, yung first derivative ay equal sa slope, no? Tangent line natin. Then, yun na. May slope and point ka na. Then, re-recall mo na lang yung equation natin sa algebra, no? For finding the equation of the line given a point and a slope. Okay, so yun lang. Tutuloy pa rin siya sa susunod.